can put it in a second. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out the streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love more be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Started moving different, seeing all this money, now she wanna get the fame. Driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy, Cari Beats, back with another POV, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to record, I had to get right. I was trying to talk through the intro. My watch acting crazy, but hey, man, welcome back to another video from your boy. Like how I said, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, on the road to 10K. So get your boy to 10K the quick way, Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see though, man, it's kind of wet. The windshield and stuff is wet, man, you feel me? And as y'all can see also, dang, that heater almost killed me. Y'all can see right here though, man, traction is all the way off, you feel me? And y'all already know how we get down. Traction all the way off. So I'm finna give y'all a little, nice little POV today, man. I got motivated to record, man. Just keep, you know what I'm saying? Just keep that motivation going. Funny thing is, bro, I know my car so well now. Like, I didn't even floor that at all. I was just fluttering the pedal, like, to keep enough torque to spin it, but not be like, you know what I'm saying, banging it and mashing it out, you know what I'm saying? My car just not warming up for real. It's cold outside today for some reason. It's cold outside today, car. So hopefully the wind ain't too bad, cause the wind blowing. So I'm gonna have this window, you know what I'm saying, rolled up, just cracked. So y'all can kind of hear, but the rest of the window gonna be more down. So y'all can still kind of get, you know what I'm saying? Still kind of get that full effect with good quality. I heard Olivia with the burbles. I'm driving a little civil out right now. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, man, it's an early morning POV, man. Early morning POV, man. But you know what I'm saying? A little bit before 10. You know what I'm saying? A little bit before 10. It ain't even wet no more, bro. I thought it was wet. I wanted it to be wet. I'm gonna roll through some water. Roll through some water. Yeah, turn back around and get the other tire. Yeah, car crew, man. You get my tire wet, get what? The ground was wet, man. It ain't wet no more for some reason. I can put it in a second. Car crew, bro. If y'all could see the outside view, I know that mother look good. Cause I was holding it. I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't want, that's why I put it in a second. I ain't want to spin it too much. I'm trying to keep my tires. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to buy no tire right now. I ain't got the time. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? We ain't at 10K yet, man. You know what I'm saying? Once I get to 10K, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be watching the video, hitting the like, but I can get tires like, you know what I'm saying, twice a month, you know what I'm saying? Or if not more. But I got, you know what I'm saying, I got a few places that be giving me some good tires. All I need is just tires to just use. I don't gotta get brand new tires just to, I know I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, kill them later on. But, yeah, man. It was spinning too. But a lot of people be wanting me to do it in manual, bro. And like, in turn, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why. Y'all been wanting me to do that. It ain't nothing that way. Something telling me to go to my left door, cause that's just my good side. Where's me going to the right, but it ain't nothing down there. Cari crew. I tried to get it to kick. It kicked too late. It finally did it though. I know y'all seen it. It like, I was hitting it and it was still going straight, and I had to like hit that bit, and that bit was like, oh, okay. Man, I was trying to get that bit right. Should have turned right here and swing that bit. Ooh, I should have did it, Cari crew. I should have did it, Cari crew. I'm in manual mode, by the way, as y'all can see. I'm in manual mode, so y'all hold it this time. Y'all be somebody that said something about me doing it in drive. Well, it be in paddle shift mode, but I just have it to where it'll shift when it redline. Cause like when it shifts, it keeps spinning. And I just be wanting, you know what I'm saying, glide down the road. I don't be trying to like really go too crazy. Not in no road, you feel me? But go, man. Like, why are you still sitting right here? Bro, this lady finna blow me. Why you didn't just, bro, that's so stupid, Cari crew, bro. Like, that stuff I be talking about. You see me turning in, you still, what you waiting on? Ain't nobody coming. Nobody was coming. I was trying to make me a U-turn, bro. I'm not trying to come all the way in just to come back out. I was gonna do a, see, man, see, folks be messing me up, bro. Know what I be talking about, bro. People can't stand folks sometimes, bro. And I was in second, by the way, too, when I did that. There go a Charger. I don't know what kind of Charger. He's sliding low-key. What's the V6? A little GT. Bro, I scared all those birds, bro. I ain't even know what birds in that tree. I'm talking about, it was like at least 30 of them niggas just flew out, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. And this with traction all the way out, by the way. I was spinning too. You know what I'm saying? With traction all the way out, the light ain't gonna flash, obviously. Ooh, slow down. The flash ain't gonna, the traction light not gonna flash, you know what I'm saying? Just cause the simple fact that the traction's all the way out, so it shouldn't flag. I ain't trying to hold no traction. So I got full control, you know what I'm saying? Full control. But yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Look at that Mustang right here. I'm gonna let him hit a little bit. He probably like, but who the fuck? Good God! Oh my ass! And that bitch spent in. Damn. Bro, that damn shit, I wasn't expecting that, bro. Olivia be surprising me when it be cool outside. That's crazy what air do to your car, bro. What some good breathing air do to your car, man. As long as your nose ain't running and stuffy, man, you good, man. Yeah, I can feel the spinning, but you can, when both of the wheels are going, bro, and traction all the way off, and they ain't got no kind of like computer trying to restrict any power, bro, you feel more power low-key, just a little bit, but you spinning at the same time, so it's like, only thing I can feel the difference, the car raises up more, like it's trying to get there, but when it stops spinning, oh, that bit riding, you know what I'm saying? When it stops spinning, that bit riding. I would've went all the way around, but it's a little dirt right there. I ain't trying to do all that, folks. I ain't trying to go that far either. Man, put it in second, man. I be stopping, bro, 'cause I'm not trying to burn that more rubber, and I already seen smoke coming up. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason why Cari crew. Like I said, y'all get your boy to 10K, man. Y'all get a video. Y'all get a lot more video like that one, bro. I just, you know what I'm saying? Not even going like crazy in a dangerous way, but like, you know what I'm saying? Really just giving y'all these real deal handling skills, you feel me? Like, I forgot I can use the pedal assist too. I don't know why I was acting like I can only use that. I did third or fourth. Oh, that was too soft there. What did? I'm gonna still be spinning. Get lower. Get lower, man. about a good 50 though. Man, boy, this is therapy, Cari crew. Therapy, man. Thera to the P. Look how we smooth in that thing, man. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Get in, get in, get in. Hold it. Oh, we got traffic. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tree, man. See what I'm saying? That boy, that's crazy, boy. Ooh, let me get a second gear. Let me get a second gear. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. How you can? Sheesh. Boy, so you can feel the power, bro, but like, it don't, the traction ain't coming on, so you don't feel that die down just a little bit, bro. It's just different. Bro, I'm telling y'all it's different. That's why when you got, you know what I'm saying, drag radials, bro, that's when you supposed to turn your traction all the way up. When you got some good prep, you feel me? When you're racing somebody, like, boy, I'm telling you, you gonna get there, but that's just different. Like, even then, it just skate, it like it move faster, but you can tell it gliding, bro. Like, it can go faster, but it just, the tire, depending on what tires you got. Oh, so I get some more tires, y'all to see. When I get some, oh, it ain't nobody in the, oh, it ain't nobody in the street. What you trying to do? Hit that bit. And with that being said, Cari crew, I'm finna end the video, man. Right there, I think that was enough for y'all, boy. I forgot it was Emmanuel. And that bitch had kind of red line. It didn't go to red line. It went to like 6,000 like right there, you know what I'm saying? And just bow, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's enough of that. We're gonna put this bit back in eco and we're gonna ride in stilo mode, you feel me? But yeah, Cari crew, man, that's just a quick little early morning POV for y'all, boy, man. Make sure y'all show support, man. Get your boy to 10K so I can get more tires and get tires more often, and we can just really just go crazy, man. I can do content that folks ain't doing, and that's, you know what I'm saying, scared to do it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But hey, we're gonna get to it, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Got a lot of stuff in store for the car when I get the bread in order, you feel me? Like, we're gonna be real here. Everything costs money. So we're gonna get that bread in check, man. And hey, like, hey, all I'm gonna say is out. You know what I'm saying? Your boy coming with some heat, you know what I'm saying? From the cosmetics to the engine work. But you feel me? Like, y'all boys, you gotta get your boy right, man. And that 10K. And then by the end of the summer, man, we can be at 15 going on 20K. Come on, man. By Christmas, by my birthday, boy, I have some, man, Cari crew, I'm telling y'all, y'all don't even know, bro. I can have a cat. I'm telling y'all, bro. Like, y'all just gotta budget show love, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. I want y'all to live through me, bro. I was just like y'all, man. I'm still like y'all. Watching folks that I want to, like, you know what I'm saying? I want this car, I want to do this, and I want to live like this. Like, it's just cool, like, how they moving, like, you know what I'm saying? Motivating, bro. Like, I still do that to this day. Will forever do that, bro. Always gonna be somebody better than you, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just trying to get where they at, or you know what I'm saying? Or even better, or just being relevant, staying above the bar, you know what I'm saying? Like, staying motivated, bro. Hard Cari crew, bro. Like, I gotta, like, sometimes just watch somebody else's video. It don't even be car video. It just be like podcasts or just folks talking that real spiel, man. Like, and I just be like, dang, bro, let me get on my ass. Like, dang, man, let me just, you know what I'm saying? I want to do it anyway. Let me just go ahead and do it, get out of the way. Now I'm motivated. Now I'm a little pumped. Now I got some, you know what I'm saying, ambition, a little more ambition behind it. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, I'm telling y'all, bro, just get your boy to 10K, man. My goal is to get 10K. I will hit 10K by April. That's the latest. April is the latest. I will hit 10K by April, bro. But I want to hit it before that, at least the first day of April, or you know what I'm saying, like in March, bro. I'm trying to keep these video pumping. I'm gonna get a little more creative, bro. Y'all just gotta work with me, you know what I'm saying? But boy, get your boy to 10K, Cari crew, man. For real. Like, if you still watching right now, bro, hit that like button, man. Comment down below, you know what I'm saying, real spill. You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far, comment down below, real spill. If you made it this far in the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? But hey, shout out to y'all, man. All support and love, you know what I'm saying? Go to y'all, bro. I appreciate everything that y'all do. Watching my videos, man, for the people that do be tuning in, because you don't gotta watch it, but you watch it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And I ain't realized that whole time I drive with no hands, so y'all don't mind me, bro. Don't do this at home, you feel me? But, yeah, man, that gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Like I said, at the end of my videos, you gotta go, you trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? Stay humble, you feel me? Don't feel like nothing can't knock you down, bro. Stay humble. It's okay to be confident, but it's bad to be cocky, you know what I'm saying? It's a difference. So y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget who put you there, who got you there, you know what I'm saying? For my religious folk, the man up above, God himself, you know what I'm saying? He's a blessing. He bless me every day, even when it feel like it's normal to me, like this is supposed to happen. Like right now. He blessed me right now, you know what I'm saying? We you know what I'm saying? We won't take everything as high of gratitude for other stuff, but hey, we all learning, we all human beings, but hey man, I ain't gonna preach our head off, but look, all my religious folk, like I say, also man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Always keep him in everything you do, keep him first in everything you do, you know what I'm saying? Acknowledge him and what you do and ask for his guidance, man, you know what I'm saying? And it'll take you a long way, you know what I'm saying? And work on your bad habits, you know what I'm saying? And be a better you every day. Be a better you every day. Spend time with them, you know what I'm saying? Read the word. Even if you don't like to read every day, just read it at least, you know what I'm saying, a couple times a week. You know what I'm saying? Read a verse a day. You know what I'm saying? Talk to them. Spend time with them. You ain't got to always just pray to them when you ask them or need them for something. Just tell them thank you. Lord, I just want to thank you this prayer, Lord. I ask you for something another time. You know what I'm saying? Or I'll talk to you about this another time. Like, I just want to thank you. Like, I just want to give you the gratitude, you feel me? But yeah, man, like I said, I ain't gonna talk your head out with that, you know what I'm saying? That's for my religious folk, you know what I'm saying? If you're not religious, I ain't talking to you, so don't be in the comments trying to, you know what I'm saying, do all that crazy stuff and have me looking crazy out here, talking to the religious people, you know what I'm saying? But hey, like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm finna get some Taco Bell, but I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.